Welcome back to Be Fabulous Makeup. First of all, I just want to say Happy New Year to everybody, and I would just want to give a big thanks to all of my subscribers, all of those who supported Be Fabulous Makeup the first year out. It was a good year, but this year we plan to do double what we did last year, do more, do better. And I just want to thank you all for staying subscribed to our channel, being a part, and the support that you have given Be Fabulous Makeup has been great. So today I am giving you the option of a new foundation cocktail. And I say cocktail because we're mixing foundations. I tried this combination of foundations, and after I wore it all day, the finish, it just looked so nice. After 8 hours, 9 hours, it looked really nice. It was just a really good combination. And what I'm going to be using is the Makeup Forever HD Ultra HD stick, foundation stick, and I am in the, I believe it's the darkest shade, Y445. And also I will be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC44. So I'm gonna mix these two, but if you've watched my previous videos on this foundation, you know that I do have to use the color correcting primer with it because it is a little bit light. So this makes the foundation tone down to my skin tone. So we'll be using these three. For me, if you are, you know, like my shade, if you're darker or if you're lighter than this, you'll just have to use the foundation and the Studio Fix. So I just want to show you, you know, give you more another foundation option to go with, because we all have several different foundations in our collections that just sit there. So this year, let's try to use more of what we have, use more of the products that we have already in our collections, and try to pan some of these things out. Okay, so I'm just gonna go right in. First, I'm gonna do a little color correcting, and I have been using the Maybelline Master Camo, the salmon color corrector, and it works so great that I have used it all up. So I'll be using the LA Girl orange corrector for under the eyes. If it stops spitting out at me. And this stuff is really, really pigmented, so don't use too much. So now I'm going to use the Step 1 Skin Equalizer base primer, and this is just going to darken up the foundation a little bit, make it my correct to match my skin tone. So you just put it all over, like just like you would any other primer. Just make sure you get it in good, because you want it to you want it to have full use of its purpose. So now we're going to take our Makeup Forever foundation stick, and I'm just going to put some on. Then I'm going to take the Fix Plus and just open it up first. And the Makeup Forever is a lighter coverage, so the Fix Plus just kind of gives it more of a full coverage effect, but without being so heavy. Not the heavy full coverage look. even though we've added some of the full coverage Fix Plus with it. And as a matter of fact, I don't want too much. Too many freckles speaking to. So just give me a little bit more. Like I said, I tried this on yesterday and I wore it all day, and I just really liked how it looked at the end of the day and how it was, how it looked throughout the day. So it was just a lighter coverage, you know, but you still had the full coverage effect. Okay, so I'm gonna add some concealer. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand. Comment down below about videos that maybe, or things that you guys are thinking that maybe you want to see on this channel, or you know, maybe something you want me to review or take a look at or give my opinion on. I will be happy to do those videos for you, you know, because when new things come out, we see maybe 100 videos on the same thing, right? So we don't just want to be doing things just because everybody else is doing them. I want it to be stuff that you guys really want to see, or stuff that I'm just really interested in. Not just because it's a new foundation that came out and over 200 people already have videos on the same thing, you know? So comment down below on things that you really would like to see more of. With my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in medium dark. Okay, and for bronzer and highlight, I'm going to use the Becca Chrissy Teigen palette. And I am going to use, which one is this? Peach Nectar highlight. And I'm going to use this blush in Hibiscus Bloom. So we're going to take this highlight and this blush from this palette. First of all, let's get a little bronze going on. I am going to use the bronze palette from our BoxyCharm from December. I've been liking this. It's really pigmented, and you guys, if you're not subscribed to BoxyCharm, you should be, because this bronzer here was like a $40 purchase, $40, and the box is only like $20 a month. So, and it has, you get 5 full-size products to try, and that's a good way too if you're trying to build your makeup collection, to get new makeup every month. I mean, and this is quality makeup. They also put brushes in as well. You might get some brushes, eyeshadow palettes, blushes, bronzers, and it helps. You can build your makeup. It's a good way to build your makeup collection as well. And I like it because they're all full-size products. They're not just like samples of products. Take this blush. And for lipstick, I'm going to reach back in the collection. Like I said, we are going to try to utilize the products that we have in our collection, and not just let our products sit there and rot and go to waste, and you know, use them for a few days and we don't pick them up again. That's just a waste of money. I'm using the Milani lipstick. Milani, of course, everybody knows is a drugstore brand, and the lipsticks are great. They have a great color range, and this is the color number 61 in Matte Naked. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to use the LA Colors liner. It doesn't have the name on it, but it's like a plum, really plum color. Let's see. It's like a really plum colored liner. I'm going to line my lips with this and then put on the lipstick. To give this a bit of shine, I'm going to use this is just a sample. I have a sample size and I also have the large size, but I'm going to take my sample size of the Buxom White Russian and just top it. Spray it Fix Plus. Okay, so this is how the foundation turned out, and like I said before, I am sure that the majority of you have the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation stick, and you have a Matte Fix Plus in your collection. So this year we want to utilize our collection, use the products that we have, try to hit pan on these products and use them up, because why not? Because otherwise we're wasting money here, right? So this is just another option where you can reach back into your own collection and create a nice foundation finish for you to wear everyday basis. You can wear this on an everyday basis. It's lightweight and it gives that full coverage finish. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to Be Fabulous Makeup, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the notifications so you are notified each time Be Fabulous Makeup uploads new videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.